This is Angela, aka Sassy, with my special guest,
Journey.
JPooh is back. JPooh is back. We are back in the house with another video for y'all. And as you can see, we are doing a what? Munchpak. That's what's on the agenda today. Now we have two drinks that we're going to try first because they were in another box and we didn't try them. So first we're going to do, this is white peach and it's in Asian writing. So I can't tell you because I don't have the book anymore if this is Japan, Korea, Thailand. I don't know where it's from. A lot of the drinks come from China though. All right, Journey. This is peach. All right. All right. 1, 2, 3. I like this. You ain't tasted yet. That's good. Well, how you think? What you think? You like it? I do too. That's a thumbs up. Man, that's good. Now, we have another drink. I already drunk.
That cup up.
I know. You drink all your peach. And as a disclaimer, you all know what can happen at any point in this video. It may go, but we hope everything just goes and flows straight. All right. So the next one, this is from Jamaica. It is a Jamaica Cola. So let's try this. See how this goes, Journey. I do a lot of this one. All right, production is in the background and he's making quite a stir, but we're going to totally ignore it. All right, Journey. You ready? Let's shake it up. All right. 1, 2, 3. That's you don't like that one? You don't like that? It's sweet. It tastes like, honestly, a cream soda. Production, can you put Journey some more ice in her cup so I can give her? You like the peach? You like the peach? Okay. She liked the peach, so we want to make sure that she has something so she can cleanse her palate.
I'm gonna get that to this to that.
You gonna give it to your daddy? All right. No, you can't leave this. We videoing. Yeah, just wait. He'll get some. But it tastes like a cream soda. I like it. But y'all know who the professional is. So we are getting ready to start our venture on the Munchpak. And you want me to pour you some of this? All right. All right. So the first thing that we have, oh my goodness, this is going to be hilarious. I want to go ahead. As you know, we get the book that tells, oh my goodness. Now this is funny. This is Cheetos. But these are Cheetos American turkey flavor.
Heavens.
And it is from China. Oh Lord. No, oh Lord. Production. I need some scissors.
I can open that.
It's hard, baby. Sassy can't open it.
Knife.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Okay, so you get one. Production, still be nice to have some scissors. All right, Journey. Thank you kindly. Production. Yeah, we got some more. All righty. Once again, this is Cheetos turkey flavor from China. 1, 2, 3. You like it? They're good. It just doesn't taste like turkey. It tastes like a cheese puff with no cheese. That's what it tastes like. It's not bad at all. I'm gonna eat the rest of these. But it doesn't taste like turkey. All right, next we have
Ooh, there's
Mas
also a
Producto. I have no idea what this is, but it looks to be Mexico. I knew it. These are from Mexico. These are Sabritas cheese and chili flavor.
Even there's also a drink in there.
Yeah, there is another drink. That one looks like it's peach too, Bridgerna. I have to look and see. All right, get you one. This is going to be chili flavor, cheese and chili.
Spicy, because it looks spicy.
It does look spicy, doesn't it? All right, 1, 2, 3. It's softer than I imagined. Because in my mind, I had it tasting like a Frito, the spiral ones, but you know, they're hard and crunchy. These are softer. They're not spicy. You don't like these? They're not spicy.
I like those.
You like these? She likes these. These are better. But I do like the chili. It's like a chili lime. It's good. It'll work. Oh Lord, this box is full of candies, y'all. This one is I don't know how to pronounce none of it. I just know it's a raspberry treat from Italy. That's all. That's all I can tell you.
I want those. I tried those before.
You ain't tried this before. You ain't been to Italy. You don't know how Italy stuff tastes. I've never been to Italy. I'm going. Eventually, I know it's on my bucket list. Let's see what it looks like. Lord have mercy. It's tore all to pieces, y'all. It's tore all to pieces. It looked dry, like we gonna choke. We gonna need these drinks. It's tore all to pieces. You wanna try one? Okay, I'm gonna try the top of this because the bottom's gone. You 1, 2, 3, try. It tastes like, you know, the butter cookies you used to get in the blue can, different shapes. It's buttery. She doesn't like it. It ain't the best. It's not the best. It's dry. It's dry. It's like eating desert, some sand or something.
I want to choose one.
You want to choose one? Okay. You choose one. We got to hurry up though. Can't take a long time. You want to try that? All right. Journey wants to try some caramel. They're caramel creams with Oreos, and they're from the United States. I was not expecting this because it looks like it could be licorice, something, you know. That's what I was assuming it was. But it's Oreo cookie from the United States. Well, the name sure don't say the United States, but I'm gonna have to take their word for it. All right, Journey, I'm gonna let you try this one by yourself.
I got ice in my mouth.
You got, why did you put ice in your mouth and you get ready to eat something? Hurry up, swallow it.
Don't do it, Journey. Don't do that, Journey. Don't swallow.
All right, tell us what they taste like. They remind you of the caramel. I can't remember what we used to call them, caramel chews,
Mm-hmm.
but they had the little marshmallow or the sweet thing in between. It looks like a Tootsie Roll. What you think?
I only like the cream except for the chocolate.
Okay, so you like the cream? She likes the cream, but you don't like the chocolate. Okay, I can understand that because you all, I mean, once again, it looks like, you know, I'm going to take Journey's word for it. Yeah, that's a no-go. Yeah. You all right, sugar? You need some more drink? Or you want to try this drink?
That drink.
All right, we're going to try the drink that's in the box. Let's see if I can find out. This is another peach drink. This is another peach drink that we have. Our first drink was peach. Ooh. Let's see. I'm gonna get me a cup. All right, Journey, we gotta try the drink. This drink is from Japan. You ready? 1, 2, 3. It tastes like the first drink that I don't know where this is from. But it tastes the same, don't it? You like it? She likes it. It tastes like the first drink, but it's completely two different countries. But I'm assuming that they're both Asian countries. They have to be with the writing. Alrighty, let's see. What can we try? This is a monkey treat. I can tell you that much. This is their cakes, vanilla cakes from Bulgaria. Vanilla cakes from Bulgaria. So let's see what they taste like. We're not going to try this entire box. It's just, it's an actual cake. It's an actual cake, like a monkey. Okay.
We should bite.
Yeah, you break off a piece you want.
I'm scared of.
You scared?
It looks like a cookie, but it don't look like a cake.
Yeah, you're right. It doesn't look like a cake. Go ahead and bite it since you got it. Let me bite. It's got some filling in it. That's good. It tastes like it's a cake, but it's some kind of filling in it. Freshly baked. It doesn't say what the filling is. How you feel about it? You like it? It's good. It's sweet. It would be wonderful with a cup of coffee. Great with a cup of coffee. All right, we're gonna try one more thing because we got some chews in here, and these are like now and laters. You know, I know we normally say now and laters, but I'm gonna say it the right way, now and laters. But these are Chewits, and they're from the United Kingdom. We're gonna pass on that. Then we got some more like these rope strings. These are from Turkey. They're sour sticks, blueberry. I'm gonna pass on that. And I think what we're gonna do is these cookies and cream wafer bites, and they are from Italy as well. Maybe these will be better than the other ones that we had from Italy, because they didn't travel well. Lord have mercy. We won't be trying these. They didn't travel well. I wish y'all could actually see. They are all crumbled up. So they didn't come as bites. They came crumbled. Look at there. They all crumbled up. It looked like some Nerds.
Mm-hmm. Taste it, Angela. See what you say.
I'm gonna get this.
Yeah, there you go. One is the hole in there.
I got a hole in it.
Okay.
This is what they're supposed to look like.
Mm-hmm.
What, baby?
I got the cup and then I poured in that drink and see what it tastes like.
Oh, okay. We just doing everything.
It tastes better like that.
It does. This tastes like the big pack of cookies. You get vanilla and chocolate in the big pack, family pack they always had at Vacation Bible School. That's what it tastes like. It ain't bad, but it's definitely not the best. What you eat? Journey is still eating the cake. So I think this is where we're gonna stop the video because we're done with the box, Journey. I know. The rest of it is just candy. We don't want that
I
candy.
want candy.
You can have the candy. Remember the video that we had? I showed this week that said Journey said, "I like candy." She still loves candy.
I like candy.
Nothing has changed. So we thank you for joining us. We thank you for being with my guest, who I can actually feel in my spirit that this is getting ready to take a sharp turn to the left. And we're going to end this video. And we do appreciate you spending your time with us. We do hope that you have a great day. And once again, thanks for
Just come and taste and see with Sassy.
tasting the seed with Sassy. Until next time, take care.